Why settle for slow listings when you can trade new tokens the moment they drop? This platform is leading the way in rapid project listings and diverse futures trading options. We're going to be talking about MEXC in today's video, ladies and gentlemen. And what I can say is this is actually my number one go-to exchange. Very easy, very simple to use, access to pretty much all the latest altcoins and all the major currencies, guys. But do please remember that these videos are not financial advice and I'm not your financial advisor. All of the links to get signed up with MEXC will be at the very top of the description of this video. Let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so for those of you that are interested in futures trading, MEXC is no exchange like any other, guys. It is the place to be for futures trading, guys. As mentioned in the intro, they have access to a plethora of altcoins that you would want to be trading in futures and spot. And also, guys, there isn't a lot of time left in terms of being able to reap maximum benefits from actually signing up. So let me just take you through a bit of that right now, guys. So a 20% deposit bonus, which if you think about it, is absolutely huge. So for example, simple mathematics, you deposit $100, guys, you get an extra $20, so $120 worth of value for every 100. Okay, you deposit $1,000, guys, that's $200, so pretty good. So the event starts, guys, in 2 days. By the time this video is out, you're probably going to have about 1 day to get amongst it, so still plenty of time to get this done, guys. All right, so really have a bit of a think about it. Again, they're just giving you the examples here, guys, as well of what I just said. Again, the biggest one here being deposit 2,500 USDT, get 500 USDT futures bonus. Now remember, it is for futures, guys, so they are trying to get you to trade in futures. All right, the sign up event starts there, and as we can see here, guys, even just a basic sign up bonus, get 10 USD futures bonus as well there too. And it even gets better, guys. So as we can see here, deposit bonus, get a 20% futures bonus rebate up to 500 USDT. So you won't be able to get more than 500 USDT. So just remember, that is the cap. During the event period, users who meet the net deposit requirements and complete at least one futures trade will be eligible to receive up to 500 USDT in futures bonuses, guys. So that is pretty good. And also here, guys, as well, we've got sign up to claim 8,000 USDT bonus here, guys. So maybe a little bit of a competition going on down the bottom there as well. All right, guys, so up the top, as you can see, you've got the different sections by crypto markets here, spot, futures, meme plus, events, and more section here, guys. So take a moment to go through and have a bit of an explore through all these bits and pieces, but we're gonna have a bit of a look at the futures in today's video, guys, because that's what the bonus is about. So you've got your USDT M futures, guys, so perpetual futures settled in USDT. You got your coin M futures, guys, which is perpetual futures settled in crypto. You got your copy trade, guys. So this one's a good one, which I'm probably going to be having a bit of a look at. So you can actually go ahead and copy top traders. So you just put a bit of crypto down and let these expert traders do the work, guys. So you don't even have to lift a finger. But if you do want to get involved, guys, and do a bit of it manually yourself, because that's just your kind of thing, well, you've got demo trading here. So you can actually go ahead and practice your demo trading, and it's essentially a simulation using USDT trading, guys. Okay, and then there's a futures overview section here. So for example, maybe we'll just go in and check out the USDT M futures section here and take a bit of a look at the interface and just see how it kind of all looks. Okay, so as you can see, there's a little star 10 white little code there. Okay, so that star 10 is actually Ronaldinho's coin that actually the Brett team helped release on Binance Smart Chain, as far as I'm aware. So that's pretty cool to see that they've got some involvement in MEXC there. Bitcoin taking a bit of a dump here down to just below 83k after making that big move up. So as we can see, this is the futures layout here, guys. Okay, so you can get up to 400x, which I can see here, which is actually pretty crazy. Just make sure you know what you're doing, guys, when you're going ahead and actually trading with leverage. Right, what I would suggest, if you are new to leverage, guys, start with a small leverage. All right, maybe 5x or something like that. Get used to it. Make sure you know what you're doing, because you can get liquidated, guys. All right, but this is it here, guys. The layout looks pretty good. You've got your sell orders, your buy orders, and so forth. Now, unbelievably, guys, on spot, guess how many? 2,700 plus pairs tradable on spot, guys. So just a ridiculous amount of altcoins that you can trade against. Of course, we've got the MX token there right at the top. Again, altcoin taking a bit of a hit today, but guys, you got all your major altcoins plus a lot of other outlying ones. And I have to be real with you guys, if I'm ever like, okay, I've just seen or heard about a new altcoin project, I wonder who's going to have it available. Go to MEXC. They've always got it, guys. They've always got it. So I can definitely tell you from personal experience that they put their money where their mouth is. They say that they list projects quickly, and they do. And why that's important is because because often when projects get just released and there's only liquidity on like one exchange, it's often a case where the price can still be at a good entry. Okay, you get in there and then maybe they get like a big Binance listing, which is of course one of, if not the biggest exchange on planet Earth, and then it can go through the roof. But a lot of your earlier projects that are not kind of available on other centralized exchanges are going to be listed on MEXC, guys. So again, another really good reason why you would want to get involved and sign up with MEXC, just for that availability, just to even grab some spot holdings in altcoins and hold them too. MEXC are also a top 10 exchange on CoinMarketCap for liquidity. So that essentially means that if you want to actually get in, get out of positions, buy and sell quickly and easily for the right market price, you're going to easily be able to do it with MEXC. You can also easily go ahead and actually use fiat to actually buy your crypto using MEXC as well, guys. And something I really love about MEXC is you don't have to bother with a KYC. They service many countries around the globe, guys. I think better than just about any other exchange. No KYC and the lowest fees, some of the lowest fees available today on the cryptocurrency market, as well as some of the best customer support that I've even myself personally utilized. Very easy, quick and responsive. And it's not just bot generated as well, guys. You know, there's actually another person on the other line if you do have any queries or questions. So yeah, guys, there's a lot of reasons why you would want to go ahead and get involved in MEXC. Now, make sure you do get signed up with the referral link at the very top of the description of this video. Take advantage of the futures bonuses, guys. It's not often that these kinds of bonuses come around, and just use it just to basically hold and trade into new projects, guys. They've got a record of often listing new projects within 24 hours of their release. So kind of going off what I was saying before, guys, that's great. All right, get into tokens early within 24 hours. That's how you make big gains in this space, guys, assuming they're the right projects, guys. So yeah, just remember, guys, these videos are not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing or using any cryptocurrency platform or project that we do speak about on this channel. We hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you smash that like button if you enjoyed, subscribe, hit the comments, and we'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.